Hey doll, so I didn't film an intro, but this is the hair that we're going to be doing. Don't mind that piece of hair that's like over my eyebrow, but this is a U-part wig, so I'm going to be showing you how I styled it and installed it. I had somewhere to go, so I didn't film an intro, but y'all get the gist. So stay tuned if you want to see how I get this hair and how I install it and all of that. So yeah. Okay, doll, so this hair is from YGwigs.com. So this is the bag that the hair comes in. I had to do a clip to show y'all the packaging and the box and everything that came in it. So this is the box. You get that little bag as well. And then the wig comes in this bag. I have a U-part body wave wig, 20 inches, 150 density in the natural color. You get this scarf, also these edge brushes. You also get a mask, which comes with a headband to attach the mask to, or you don't have to wear the headband, whichever way you want to do it. Real cute butterfly print. And then I got this headband as well. And they also sent these tube kind of things, and you could do a few different things with them. It says it on the packaging, but I can't remember. So I got this leopard printed one, and then they also did send it to me in another print as well. I was just trying to show y'all kind of like how it's made, but you could do multiple different things with it. That's the other print I got, and I also got a wig cap and some clips as well. Okay, doll, so now you can see how my hair is sectioned off. I did just do two ponytails in the back and braid them down, and then I am going in and flat ironing my leave out section. You can go ahead and use whatever heat protectants you want to use, or oils, or anything that you like to use on your hair. I kind of just did mine dry, and then later on I will add some hairspray and coconut oil onto my hair, because I find that it does help with keeping my hair from reverting or getting frizzy and stuff like that. So I'm just flat ironing the leave out section, and then you can see how the back of my hair is sectioned off, and this is how the wig looks. I did go ahead and already curl it and put some flat iron curls in it, and you can see there are clips at the top and also combs and a comb at the bottom, and it's also adjustable as well. So I'm just going to snip those little elastic pieces off because you don't need them on the wig. I guess that's just how they are constructing the wig, but you do want to go ahead and cut those off. And then I'm also parting down some hair to leave out for doing my baby hair. So after I leave that out, I'm just kind of sizing up the wig and trying it on to see how everything is fitting. I did kind of need to leave out a little bit more hair in the back part of the U, but I was able to cover it up because it wasn't that big of a section. But you may want to kind of try the wig on as you are parting your hair to be out, so that you will know exactly how much hair you want to have out. So I have already snapped the clips on, and then I'm just fixing the wig over the back part of my little ponytail braids that I have in the back. And then I'm going to go ahead and flat iron my leave out. Also, another thing is that my hair is smooth and like put into two ponytails with braids at the end. I would suggest to braid some anchor braids where the clips are going to be attached, like where you're going to attach the wig at, because it will just stay much better. And sometimes whenever you have it like how mine's is, it can start to slide. And don't worry about my hair, y'all. I am having some postpartum breakage and shedding and all of that kind of stuff, so that is what you seen there. But yeah, so I'm just parting off my hair to do a middle part. Y'all know your girl love a middle part, but you can also switch this and do it like as a side part. You can definitely use your U-part wig to do that. So I am spraying it down with some hairspray, and I'm sorry if y'all can hear the trash is passing right now. But I am going to go ahead and put my coconut oil, and that is what I just warmed up in my hand. So I'm just applying it to the leave out as well as my edges also. So then to blend my hair in, I'm going to go in and use my flat iron to just curl a section of the wig and a section of my hair together. Whenever I was flat ironing my leave out, I did only do one pass, and I don't like to go over it over and over, especially because I know I'm going to be applying more heat to my hair whenever I am styling it and blending it in. So if you will, this is like a second pass, and the second time that I'm doing it, or as I'm blending it in, it's a lot slower than what it is when I'm just flat ironing it out. So my hair is getting more heat to it. So I would suggest, if your hair can get pretty straight, to just try to do one pass when you're flat ironing your leave out, if you have natural hair. So you can already see that it's blending in really good, and on the other side how it looks when it's straight. So it's pretty much blended already, so it's looking real good. And you can also have this wig sewn in. If you go ahead and just get like the typical sew-in kind of braids, you can have someone, or if you know how to do it yourself, you can sew this wig down as well, instead of wearing it as a on and off kind of wig. But I like having the versatility of it, but I also wouldn't mind having a U-part wig sewn down as well for a really quick sew-in style, especially like for vacation. If you don't have a whole lot of time and you don't want to sit there getting track by track installed, a U-part wig will be really good and secure if you get it sewn in. So yeah, now I'm on the other side, and I'm just doing some curls once again to blend in my hair with the wig. And everything is just blending in really nicely. The color matches really good, and the texture is pretty similar to like my hair texture. If anything, I feel like the wig was a little bit more dry than what my hair texture was. But yeah, it blends in really, really good, especially since I put some oil on my hair. The shine just looks really good. So now I just went ahead and did my baby hairs, and then I'm also going to do a little sideburn section. So I just kind of took the flat iron and did a curl, and then I'm just going to do a little swoop, and boom, everything is done on this side. I didn't really show y'all how I did the baby hairs, because in this video is when I really realized that I am having some postpartum hair loss. So I was like, nah, I'm just going to cut out some of this, because they don't need to be seeing all of this. But you can still kind of see it, but I did blend it very well where you can't see it at all once everything is done. But yeah, so this is how everything is looking. And then I was like, no, I need to put some layers in this hair. So what I ended up doing was parting off my section of hair that I have left out, and just like pulling it up so that it's not blended into the hair. And then I also unclipped the wig, and then I'm going to start taking sections and cutting some layers into the hair, because I just felt like it needed some layers. So I'm going to do like some face framing layers right in the front area. And this is really easy to do. You don't have to be a professional to cut layers. It probably will take you a little bit of practice, but it's really easy to do. You just want to guide the scissors or shears down the hair and do light cutting motions, bringing your hand down the hair, if you know what I'm saying. Like, you can kind of see how I'm going down the hair, and I'm just kind of like pinching the scissors a little bit, or doing cutting motions very slightly, not just a full cut straight across. And that is how you do layers. Real easy. Okay, so after I cut the layers in, I went ahead and attach the wig back on, and then I'm just going to go ahead and blend that back in. And you can go ahead and add more curls in the hair so that the layers really pop out or whatever. But now it already blends in better just because I cut those layers in. It just blends into my hair a lot better. And I like to do this kind of motion so the layers really pop when you know, do this kind of motion. And you need the layers for this to really just sit, if you know what I'm saying. So yeah, this pretty much concludes the look. I'm just spraying it down with a little bit more hairspray to set it in place, because I had somewhere to go. So yeah, this is the completed look of the hair. And then you can see me in the next clip once I have actually put my clothes on and what I was wearing. And it was just real cute, even though that piece of hair was like over my eyebrow. But y'all get the point. So yeah, comment down below if you have any questions. Thank you for watching. Bye, dolls.